Ever felt lost trying to book a cab in a foreign country? You're not alone. So many visitors struggle with this simple task. Today, we are breaking down the process of booking a cab over the phone in Canada. Using easy English phrases anyone can master, you will learn key expressions, practice a real conversation, and gain confidence for your next trip. Ready to make your Canadian taxi experience smooth and stress-free? Let's get started. Let's listen to a conversation between a customer and a taxi dispatcher.
Hello, I'd like to book a cab, please.
Certainly. Where would you like to be picked up?
I'm at 123 Maple Street.
And what's your destination?
I need to go to the airport.
All right, when do you need the cab?
In about 30 minutes, please.
Sure. Can I have your name and phone number?
My name is John Smith, and my number is 555-1234.
Thank you. Your cab will arrive in approximately 30 minutes.
Great, thank you very much.
Now let's break down some key phrases. Repeat after me. I would like to book a cab, please. Where would you like to be picked up? What's your destination? In about 30 minutes, please. Can I have your name and phone number? Great job! Remember, book a cab means to reserve a taxi. Picked up refers to where the taxi will collect you. Your destination is where you want to go. So now let's practice the whole conversation. I'll be the dispatcher and you be the customer. Ready? Where would you like to be picked up? And what's your destination? All right. When do you need the cab? Sure. Can I have your name and phone number, please? Thank you. Your cab will arrive in approximately 30 minutes. You're welcome. Have a good day. Excellent work. You have just learned how to book a cab in simple English. You have done a great job practicing these phrases. Remember, the key to improving is regular practice. Try role-playing this conversation with a friend or family member. Before we go, here's a quick question for you. What other situations would you like to learn English phrases for? Leave your answers in the comment below. Thanks for watching Easy English, How to Book a Cab Over the Phone. For more language learning videos, check out our channel and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.